This is how to make slime. So, what you're going to need to make some slime is some glue and a spoon and a bowl. And I use Elmer's magical liquid, which makes it easier to make the slime. But you can use borax or saline solution or something like that if you want to do that. So the first step is you pour the glue into here. As much as you want. Then you get your solution, then pour some in, then you start mixing, and you keep doing that until it's not sticky anymore. I already made some slime here, and this is what it looks like when you're finished. And it's very fun to play with. And you can do that with it. That's my video, how to make slime.